Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking a look at their classic hymn, Holy, 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 and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. Here's what Holy, Holy, Holy looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 4 twice. Blow into 5 twice. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 6 3 times. Blow into 6. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 6 4 times. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 6 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 5. Breathe in through 6 4 times. Blow into 6. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 7. Blow into 6 twice. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 5. Breathe in through 4 twice. And blow into 4 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. Also, if you'd like to support this channel, then please follow the link below and buy me a coffee. And until next time, stay tuned.